Hello friends, in this lecture we will see toolpath, drive, variable contour and see this is the toolpath and I have added a fourth axis machine with B table. So Y is here, so this time it is B axis and I'm going to show you I have two results. So I'm clicking this one and simulate machine. B axis is here and now play, see, and the B axis is moving. Here is the speed, B axis. So how to create this kind of toolpath? So I'm going to tell you in this lecture. First, I am hiding this machine and this all, select both, and I'm deleting this. My workpiece, double click. So this is not a workpiece. So go to this part navigator and here you will see this boundary and here I have a text. See, this is the text, okay, and one more surface is there. This is not my surface, this is the surface, okay. Okay, so this is the geometry. I have created this on the planar surface. This is planar geometry and here in workpiece 1 is my working and see I want to select this planar surface, so delete it, and by default it is solid body. Change this to face and select this face. Now this is my part geometry and for blank I have used this bounding block for my blank, okay. Its height doesn't matter, just I want to create a 2D toolpath and later I will project that toolpath over the cylindrical surface. So this is I'm going to do, and my tool is this. I'm going to use this tool. So firstly go to this operation and my operation is planable and floor in wall operation. I'm going to use program and tool as this. Workpiece 1 is my geometry and I'm doing operation. Floor is this. So automatic wall it doesn't work here, and a follow periphery it will work, and just generate, and this kind of toolpath is here. Now I want to use trim boundary, so go to this geometry and here trim boundary and go to this curve and use connected curve. Select first curve, add second curve, add, or we can use middle click to add new set. Okay, now generate. This is the toolpath, and from the main step over 50% I'm using, generate this. Now my toolpath is generate and I want to create a output file. So select this floor and wall, and from other more here output CLF CLSF file. Click here and standard, and the name of this part is toolpath drive 01. Okay, and okay, this is go to wali, it is go to programming automatic to program toolpath is this. Now for multi-axis, go to this multi-axis and variable contour. This time program tool is ball mill and workpiece. No need to select any workpiece, you can directly go and select this MCS, so directly it will create under this MCS. Okay, and finishing operation. Okay, and part, if you want to select, so this is my part. This time I am going to work with this is with this, not this upper one, and my cutting geometry is this one. Okay, and my drive method is toolpath. Okay, so now I'm going to select my toolpath, and my toolpath is toolpath drive 01 CLS file. Okay, select it, and if you want to see the preview, you can see this toolpath preview. Okay, and my axis is normal to part. Okay, and for this projection vector I'm using towards line, and line is along this. Okay, and generate. Let's see the result. Just okay, and I'm going to hide this. Go to this geometry, hide this, and text hide. Come here. My toolpath is not visible, so double click over here, and tool axis I'm going to change away from line. Select this, direction is this. Okay, and generate one more time. Okay, again I need to select the drive method. So from main toolpath. Okay, select this one. Okay, and generate. Okay, just okay. So I'm going to edit it again, and make sure your projection vector is towards line and tool axis away from line, and my toolpath drive is which I have created. Okay, and generate. Toolpath will project over the surface. Okay, and click here and show this. This is my machine. Come to this simulate machine. B axis, close. So in this way we can create toolpath drive method.